BrightBYTES! Hey, Champ! Welcome back to BrightBYTES, where learning feels easy and fun. Today, we're learning another arithmetic concept, subtraction. So what is subtraction?
Subtraction means taking away to find what's left. Example, if you have 5 apples and you take away 2 of them, you're left with only 3 apples.
But why do we even need subtraction?
Without subtraction, we couldn't count runs left to win, slices eaten, or how much money we have left after shopping.
Okay, but where do we actually use subtraction?
In schoolwork, games, budgeting, or even cooking, subtraction helps us every day.
And when does subtraction show up in our lives?
We use subtraction whenever something goes away, like when toys are lost, snacks are eaten, time runs out, or money is spent. Anytime things reduce or disappear, subtraction steps in.
And who uses subtraction?
Everyone! Kids, parents, teachers, players, scientists. Subtraction helps them all.
Want to know a cool subtraction trick?
Let's use the number line to make subtraction easy. You need to start from the smaller number and count forward to the bigger one. Let's try this out. What is 7 minus 3 equals? Start at 3, count 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 4 steps. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. Subtraction is easy when you use the number line to count up.
Let's try a quick challenge.
Use the count up trick to solve 15 minus 8. Count up and tell me how many steps you took. Write your answer in the comments.
That's it for today, champs. Once you master subtraction, you'll handle numbers like a pro. Next up, multiplication, where numbers grow super fast. Don't miss it. Bye-bye, champs.